Happy New Year everybody. Thank you to all our subscribers, old and new. Hope all our old subscribers are still enjoying the content we put out, and we hope the new subscribers are enjoying the content we do as well. Please stick around, we've got plenty more content to come. Being the Christmas season, we always get more views, but we've had a lot more this year and we're hopeful that momentum will stay. Some of you may have noticed that before the end of 2023 we overhauled all of our video thumbnails, descriptions and titles. We're just playing the YouTube game, it's all algorithms and analytics etc, but it makes a difference and it also tidies up the channel. You may have noticed we got a new intro, we've tidied it up, shortened it down a little bit and just had a bit of a tidy up and rebrand and just give the channel a bit of its own identity. We want to be able to have our own bespoke look, which can be hard with all the billions of people and videos on this platform. But all these things are well and good, but we are an extremely niche subject matter. But it all helps, and we'll just stay huddled away on our little corner of YouTube, and hopefully we can get a few more people to join us. We've also upgraded our camera and filming equipment. We've got a new camera, we've got a new stand, and we were struggling with the old stand because it was only short and the camera for some reason would always be slightly zoomed in, we couldn't zoom out, so everything was quite close quarters. But now we've resolved that, we've got better field of view and hopefully we can get some better shots of stuff from afar and up close. We've also upgraded our editing software and we're hoping to just refine things, keep them tidy, clean them up and have more free-flowing videos. We've had a look at the survey that we posted the other month. It was conclusive. 53% of you want to see more lights from the collection. 18% want more repair videos. Another 18% want to know how you fit lights to windows and trees, etc. And 12% want to see vintage decorations. Thank you to the 17 people who took the time to do the survey. Much appreciated. We will endeavour to cover these subjects and do these videos and film them for you. We've got lots to come, we've got lots planned. We've got some content for the United States subscribers, and also everybody else will hopefully enjoy it too. We've got plenty of more lights from the collection. We've got years worth of content just from the collection alone. But we're also going to do some experiments, repairs, restorations. We've got some restoration videos coming up this month. We hope you will enjoy them, and we're hopeful that the advice, hints and tips that we put in those videos will help people fix their own lights on the cheap. We came up with a very simple method to fix a common problem and we hope you enjoy it. I won't spoil it too much, I'll let you enjoy that when it comes out. We're also going to try and fix the pifco LED lights that we posted just yesterday. Thank you to everybody who commented on that video about it being dried out capacitors. We're going to order some, they're only cheap, and we're going to fix it on camera and hopefully we can get them working again. And you know, things like this will hopefully help other people who have a similar problem. We're also going to try and plan better for our videos, mainly towards the festive season, November, December. The 2023 season came around really quick and we had no time to film what we wanted to film, and we didn't get a chance to edit what we had filmed because we wanted to make sure that we kept our Saturday schedule and not upload too many videos, just one a week and plus the shorts in between. But as for some of the things that we want to film for the 2024 Christmas season, we want to be able to do some more Christmas light shopping. We did do some extra Christmas light shopping this year, but we didn't get a chance to put the videos out. We just wanted to make sure people got some really good, interesting content, and we'll do some more Christmas shopping next year. We went to Poundland, a few interesting things, mainly battery powered stuff. If you like that kind of thing, handy for some people who want just a little display somewhere. We also went to Aldi again, and they have the Yuletide nostalgia lights back in stock. They were in slightly different boxes. The Transformers do not have noma on them anymore, so they're obviously just getting them straight from the manufacturer who makes them for noma. They are still covered in hot glue strands and they're still the same mediocre quality. I am not biased whatsoever. I own 2 sets of each. I've got 4 sets in total because I'm a glutton for punishment, and obviously not only did we do videos on them to try, to buy and try and show everybody what the quality was like, but I also had them on the Christmas tree this year, and to be fair, I quite like them. But be aware, your mileage may vary and the quality is very subpar and mediocre. I hope everybody is ready for 2024 and everybody enjoyed the festive season. If you have any feedback for us, let us know in the comments below, and we'll catch you on the next one.